The HUANUO Electric Chair Lift is a versatile solution designed to aid individuals with limited mobility by offering assistance both from the floor and within the bathtub. This chair lift is equipped with 6 sturdy suction cups that ensure a stable and secure grip on various surfaces, supporting up to 308 pounds for reliable use. With an adjustable height range from 2.3 inches to 18.9 inches, it offers ergonomic support through a backrest that adjusts as the seat elevates, enhancing user comfort. The lift is operated by a convenient remote control powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, allowing for multiple lift cycles per charge with intuitive one-touch operation. Its foldable design, reducing to just 6.4 inches in thickness, ensures easy storage and portability, making it practical for use in different locations within the home. Assembly is straightforward with a user-friendly buckle design, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, supported by a responsive US-based product support team.